Looks like this is the powerlifting gym everyone was talking about. Let's go inside Brown Barbell Club and see. Oh, there's the front desk. Let's go there.
SPD. Hey boy, what you want?
I want to learn powerlifting.
Powerlifting? Let's start.
See kid, powerlifting is a dangerous sport. Average man should not do it. But if you really want to do it, you need to have some protective gear. For your feet, you need squat shoes. For your knees, you need knee sleeves. For your core, big core, you need powerlifting belt. And you need
2 hours later.
See, now you look like a power lifter. Now do 5 body squats so that I can assess you. Yeah. Go down. Yeah. Good. Good. I think his ankle mobility is poor. He needs a massage gun. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Brown Barbell Club. With this video, we are very excited because we are starting a powerlifting series exclusively for the beginners only. In the next 8 to 10 videos, we will be covering how to start powerlifting. Do you need a powerlifting gym? What equipment you need? What programming you should be doing? How you can incorporate any of these movements into your current training, recovery, programming, and the basic rules. So make sure to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any video. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is powerlifting? Powerlifting is a competitive strength sport where you have to lift the maximum weight for 1 rep in 3 lifts. Those 3 lifts are squat, bench, and deadlift. So you might be hearing a lot of powerlifters saying SBD, SBD. That's what it means. How an athlete performs these lifts in a competition, we will do a different video but in this series but later on. As per the Google books, the word powerlifting was not used until 1960s. Yes, there is some data between 1840 and 1860, but this sport grew exponentially after 1960s and 70s. Before this Google data confuses you, I just want to let you guys know that squat, bench and deadlift has been in the strength sports from the centuries. But this sport got distinguished in the later 60s. So this sport is different from weightlifting, strongman and CrossFit. In this series and the upcoming videos, we will not be going into the differences between the federations, their rules and whatnot, because we think it just confuses the beginner who just want to join a sport. For example, if there's a kid on the block and he wants to play the basketball, you will not tell all the rules and regulations to that kid on the first day, right? You will just hand over the ball and tell him to score the baskets, and whoever ends up scoring more baskets will win the game. So same is with the powerlifting. Let's learn the movements first and start incorporating these movements into your training. For the starters, I want to tell you that for the powerlifting, you use all the equipment that is specific to the powerlifting sport. They do have their own barbells, they do have calibrated kg plates, and they have their own rules. But do you need them when you are just starting this powerlifting? Answer is no. Now, if you want to learn the powerlifting, you have to do the 2 things. First thing is wait for the upcoming video which is coming soon, and second is make sure to spread the word, ring the bell for your neighbors and let them know that Brown Barbell Club is coming with a series only for the beginners. I'm kidding, don't ring the bell for the neighbors, but do spread the word. Now you know what is difference between powerlifting, weightlifting, strongman and the CrossFit, and how this sport is different from all these other strength sports. Please check out the description of this video to see what we are going to cover in this series, and if there is anything else that you want us to cover specifically, please let us know in the comments and we will bring that for you. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Till next video, be strong, stay safe. Okay, start. Yeah, go down, go down, go down, go down. That's it.